Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Capricorn. These are for your general energies. This card is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Capricorn, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading I have right after this general energy. So you can stay tuned for that. So first let's start with these cards for your general energies. It's Magician, Ace of Spheres and Moon. So Capricorn, in your situation today, you have something telling you some inspiration or some intuition telling you the right things today, what you need to do, and it is helping you to be really certain about the things in your situation, maybe certain about your decisions. So there is some kind of a subconscious guidance you are having today. And maybe you are inspired, you feel really inspired and confident about your situation, and you are able to delve deeper into anything, maybe the heart of the matter. So whatever your circumstance is, you know with clarity what is happening in your circumstance and see beyond that also the reason for that situation. So you have that confidence, skills, and you are overwhelmed with the right things, maybe the positive intentions, cleverness, and you know for sure what is the right way to handle your situation. And you have that inner strength in your heart in any situation, and you show that out, and people look up to you because of this inner strength. People look up to you for your support and guidance. Maybe they are asking you for suggestions, what needs to be done today in their life. So you are overwhelming with confidence, guys, Capricorn. And today in your situation, you have accomplished certain things for yourself. You feel really happy because of the success you are tasting today, and you are seeing fortunate times working for you, good luck working for you today. And you are someone who is who luck is chasing. Maybe whatever you are doing, you see lucky coincidences. So good luck is working in your life today, guys, Capricorn. So whatever you are doing, maybe you may choose something, but that choice may turn out to be the luckiest choice, and you are seeing lucrative returns. And there are great positive things happening for you today, guys, in your life. And you are someone who has great dreams and goals. You are moving towards that. And maybe usually we have this card. Usually we say that we are just dreaming and fantasizing about certain things. But today for you guys, your dreams are coming true, Capricorn. So whatever your fantasies are, or your dreams are, or your goals, aspirations, whatever it is, you are moving towards that. So we have a very positive set of cards here for you all, guys, Capricorn. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have the Hermit. Sorry, guys. We have the Hermit. So it just means that you are in deep thought over something. You want to make some choice, but you are really careful. You just don't want to jump into conclusions and decide something without thinking. So maybe you're thinking of marriage, or engagement, but you are waiting for that clarity, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Knight of Sons in reverse. So in your situation today, guys, maybe you have someone in your work situation who is not responsible enough, guys, and you should not rely on this person. If you have someone like that, it is better not to rely on this person, Capricorn. So that is the reading with these cards, Capricorn. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards today. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So if you have any doubts or confusions in your mind, you can think about it. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start with the first card. We will see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, it's from nothing to everything. So that is the card for y'all, guys. So with this card, it just means that today in your situation, in order to receive something fresh, new, and something great for you, something much better than your dreams or fantasies, you need to let go, maybe become empty. So we need space to receive something that is coming in our life, guys. This may mean letting go of the attachment you have towards your person in order to receive that genuine love that is coming towards you. And maybe you are holding on to your fantasy about a dream job, but today for that most soulful, passionate and successful occasion, you have to accept some guidance in your life today, guys. It just means that you need to take one day at a time, guys. Live one day at a time and maybe surrender the fantasy, dream or a story, whatever we have for ourselves, because reality is knocking at our door, and with the delivery of what we have been fantasizing about, but in the best way for us. So what is the best? It will be better than our dreams or fantasies. So that is what is coming towards us. And maybe the dying of this dream or fantasy is really stressing us. It may be really painful, giving us a lot of grief. But dying to that attachment or the opinions we have, that is what is happening, and this is the time we can stop dreaming and start living. So that is what is unfolding in our life today, and we should not fear this process that is happening and embrace this process without expectation for future, and have trust in your heart that divine energy or God or universe, whatever you call it, is simply guiding you from fantasy into fulfillment, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, the second card, let's see what is the card. It says withdraw. So with this card, guys, in your situation, It just means that we need to see things differently. So maybe we need time alone. Maybe. So withdrawing does not mean breakup or trying to avoid that situation. It just means that we need a temporary disengagement from that circumstance in order to get clarity. So, when we have time alone, that rest gives us time for a better clarity in our situation and inner wisdom to discern all facts. So, you need to be really what to say, if you want to be really clear about the way things are in your life and see things as it is for what it is in truth, you have to see it with a different perspective, see it as a third person. Only then you will be able to see your situation without being judgmental. Just observe your situation, allow thoughts to flow, and you will know what is the right thing or what is the right way to handle your situation, and you will have that guidance in your heart and insight into your circumstance, guys. So whatever problems you are facing today in this relationship, you need, if you want that inner wisdom, you have to take time to think alone, guys. So get that clarity. So that is the energy with this angel guidance card here for y'all, for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.